Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over until we decide it is. Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
German? Forget it, he's rolling.
And it ain't over now. Because when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
No one comes into our house and pushes us around.
We're gonna go inside, we're gonna go outside, inside and outside. We're gonna get them on the run, boys. And once we get them on the run, we're gonna keep them on the run. And then we're gonna go, 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 go.
I'm coming back.
You're tougher than that. You know it and I know it. We're in this together. You're a team, a family.
I am the one who's in charge.
I can be me. I am a sculptor. I'm an athlete. I am a father. And today I can still be all these things, even with rheumatoid arthritis, because I found Enbrel.
Enbrel not only relieves the pain, stiffness, and fatigue of RA, but inhibits the joint damage RA can cause.
This year I will embark on the ultimate adventure. I will solo to Paris like my grandfather, Charles Lindbergh. Because of Enbrel, I can be me.
Enbrel is not for everyone. The most common side effects in clinical trials include injection site reactions, infection, and headache. Serious infections and rare cases of nervous system and blood disorders have also been reported. If you are prone to or have a history of infection, currently have one, or develop one while taking Enbrel, tell your doctor right away. Contact your doctor immediately if you develop symptoms such as persistent fever, bruising, bleeding, or paleness. Call to find out how you can get Enbrel. 1-800-555-2000.
A bowl is a bowl is a bowl. Or is it? Is there one with more exciting ingredients? With sauces you stir in so flavors meet for the first time? That's also low-cal and low-fat? There is now. With new Healthy Choice bowls, like sweet and sour chicken, accented with pineapple, topped with bamboo shoots, and kissed with ginger orange marmalade. You won't find another bowl quite like it. Anywhere. Healthy Choice. Feel good food.
Boxes. You live in them, move in them, work in them, read from them, eat from them, are contained by them, are owned by them. It's time for someone with an open mind, an open approach. It's time for a world beyond the boxes.